Hello class, so we are looking at chapter 14 lesson 1 today. Chapter 14 is on geometry. So today we're looking at how to draw points, lines, and rays. So a point is an exact location that is represented by a dot. Okay, so this is a point and I'm going to give it a name. Okay, point A, for example. A line is a straight set of points that extends in opposite directions without ending. So this is called a point. A line is when you have 2 points. Let's say this is point A, point B, and it doesn't end. And if it doesn't end, you will see arrows. Okay, extending in opposite directions. This is called a line. Okay, and there is one more thing that I wanted to show you, which is this chart over here. Okay, it says a line is a straight set of points that extends in opposite directions without ending. So line AB, like I drew earlier, or you can write it as AB and then draw the line with the 2 arrows on top. Okay, make sure you use capital letters. All right, a ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and extends in one direction without ending. So if you notice here, there is no arrow going this way. Okay, so this is the endpoint, it ends. Okay, but there is an arrow going in one direction, so this is called a ray. Okay, and you can call it ray AB or ray AB. Okay, there is no arrow on this side. All right. Lastly, a line segment is a part of a line between 2 endpoints. So you have endpoints A and point B, and there are no arrows. Okay, so it ends here and it ends here. So it's called line segment AB or line segment AB with the line on top. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and do some examples. For guided practice, you are identifying each figure. Okay, is this, first of all, is this a line segment, or a ray? Because there are 2 endpoints here, it is a line segment. And you can name it as QR. So line segment QR. You can also write it like this, QR, line segment QR with the line on top. But because you're typing it out on Google Forms, you're going to have to write it this way. Okay? All right, go ahead and try the rest of these. Okay, first identify whether it's a line segment, or array, and then write the name. Okay? Using the uppercase letters. Now, for these, same thing. Okay? For numbers 9 through 14, you need to draw each figure, so you're not going to be able to do this part on Google Forms. Please get a separate sheet of paper and do this on your own. Okay, but I am going to do a couple with you so you understand how to do it. So for number 9 is point T. Go ahead and try. Get your paper ready and try. What does point T look like? You can pause the video if you need more time. Okay, so point T looks like this. Okay, now line YZ. Go ahead and draw that on your paper. You can pause the video. Okay, so you can just draw a line like this. This is Y, and this is Z. Okay, basically it's like a bigger version of that, right? Ray CR. Please pause the video and draw this out. Okay, so I have C and I have R, and I'm drawing a ray. Okay, so it ends at one point and then it extends on the other point. All right, so go ahead and do the rest on your own. For number 15, when it says identify the figure that is shown on the stop sign. So this part over here, is this a line segment, or a ray? So you're going to write that here. For number, let's see, 16, you have to draw it out, so you won't be able to submit this on Google Forms. For number 17, name 3 real-world examples of line segments. So what other objects have line segments like this stop sign? Okay, I'll give you a clue. One of them, for example, could be the edge of a book. Okay, it's a straight edge, right? All right, so I hope you have fun.